That's savage. Felicia. When people see me riding in this, oh my god. Holy shit.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna go down the exit.
Oh, heck
Let's
yeah.
go.
Bring it. Better not. And my sister wanted to kill me.
Now I'm jumping.
She wanted to kill me. How dare she? And if we need to go anywhere, we need to go to the freaking elevator. I'm gonna honk. Crap, now no one can hear it.
Gosh. Things are yours. We're going to the Texas store. You stay right here, baby. I'll be right back.
What's the deal? Oh, this is embarrassing. Can't believe I'm doing this. Is someone looking at me? Yeah. No one's looking at me. Yes, they are. Freaking look at it. It's freaking amazing. Can't believe I'm this. I'll just ride. Savage. I'm gonna be riding around this freaking mall, riding on this.
Do you want your pacifier?
Boy,
You want your pacifier?
I will freaking throw that. I swear.
Hold on, we're not gonna touch it until then it's all put on my ring.
Holy crap! Okay, now go. Freaking ride it. Oh shoot! Don't ride too much on the edge or you're hit.
I just called it.
I don't notice the difference there, but it's just
Hello. Savage. Sounds a savage.
I'm scared.
I'm not scared, totally. Hello.
Ready?
Oh, heck yeah. Boy. I'm kind of scared of that part. Freaking pissed me off. Just turn this crap. That's why.
You're gonna run into that thing.
It's a future car. Savage.
Okay, which one are we going?
Get that. Cool. Two people watching. I'm a special little kid with some nice shoes. Look, she's savage. And this is my future car. This is my future car.
Okay. Still out? Okay.
Beep. What the? Holy crap! Wait, watch it. Wow. Watch it, boy. God dang. Stop that. Bruh. Hey, watch it, dude. There's that thing is there for a reason. There's no reason for you to bump into it. Alan, you suck. Oh, shit. You suck. Boy. Told you. Go, freaking go. Okay, now ride me down that thing. Rat. Ah, Terry, you're gonna wreck me. And you suck at turning.
You went the wrong way. You're turning now.
Ah, I'm gonna get ran over. Holy crap. Keep on going, go faster. Fast! Don't run into any cars. Go, or you're gonna make me die. Don't make me die. My life depends right there, bruh.
Anyway,
It is
you
right
can make a
there.
U-turn. Dad, make a U-turn.
Holy shit. Freaking
Zach was turned upside down.
Ah, Mom, watch out! Ah! Oop,
Okay, you're done.
my foot got the way.
I think your phone turned off.
See you guys, subscribe, and also like.